We're gonna have to see what my bank account looks like. I definitely think this is his most exciting mystery box launch to date. I've got asthma, okay? I can't do that. Yeah. Sorry about this. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you stick around and maybe even watch a few more. If you're a returning viewer, clicker, subscriber, OG, thank you a little bit extra. Today is another Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box details slash giveaway announcement slash let's just talk all about it, okay? Now, if you're not new to my channel, I have gotten a lot of my subscribers from these videos and just talking about like new makeup releases, that and my server and bartender horror story time videos. So I'll leave all of my like most popular videos down below if you're interested. If this is your first time to my channel, if it is, hi, hello, thank you so much for being here. So that's what we're gonna be talking about today. He is doing a spring mystery box release, and honestly, it's like the biggest mystery box release he has ever done. So there's gonna be a lot of information in this video. Now, just to jump right in, I will be doing a giveaway. I'm not sure exactly what I'll be purchasing yet. I will decide that after this video goes up, but I will be purchasing something to unbox and also something to give away. I'm also going to be doing a complete separate giveaway. If you guys are not aware, ColourPop has just released a Lizzie McGuire collection, and I was able to snag 2 full collections. So I'm going to be doing a Jeffree Star giveaway and a Lizzie McGuire giveaway. So you want to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss my Jeffree Star unboxing video, because that is where I will announce the giveaway rules and all of that stuff and have both giveaways curated. I also tend to do spoilers, especially because I never know when I'm getting my boxes. So I will definitely do that as well. So if you are curious of that, and if you are also new, you may not know that I do have a lash brand. I'm currently wearing the style Heather, our best seller. This makeup look and a tutorial is on my Instagram if you're curious. But with every giveaway now, I do also give away a free pair of lashes, whichever style you want. We have 6 styles. The link to shop is always down below if you want to check them out, or if you want to go on our Instagram and see what style you might like. But just make sure that you're subscribed, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below if you are going to stick around for the unboxing and enter the giveaways, because I'm just so freaking excited. I feel like I haven't done like some major fun giveaways in a while, so I am just like ready to go. Spring is here. I think that's all I have to like start the video off with. Let's just go ahead and dive in, because like I said, this might be a little bit longer than my other videos. I want to give all the information. He did put up an Instagram TV on his Instagram explaining everything, so I'm kind of like taking all the information from there and giving you my thoughts and maybe kind of speculating on like what could be in the boxes, especially because I've gotten so many of them in the past. I kind of have a good idea of what to expect. So let's get into it. So let's talk about the mystery boxes first. There are some other new items, like merch items, that he will be releasing as well. So I'll briefly talk about those at the end, but let's talk about the mystery boxes. That's why you're all here, right? This time there are 5 mystery box options. Let me explain. There are 2 premium boxes. Usually he will do a small mini, a premium, and deluxe, and maybe sometimes a supreme if he does 4. That's usually the standard that he goes in. He's not doing minis this time. And I kind of understand why. I think a lot of people don't get disappointed in the minis, but because there's such a low price tag, they're usually like $25, $30, you're usually just getting lip products in there. You're not going to be getting anything super exciting in there typically. Sometimes, like, I remember one, there was a palette in one of them at some point, but I definitely think that more people like the medium range, the $60, $50 range, where you're getting some more items, but you're still not paying like over $100 or even near $100. So he has 2 premium options. They are a blue box and a mint box. Now, the reason why the colors are important is because the mint box is a 420 friendly box. He said that these boxes will have 1 exclusive Jeffree Star item. He didn't specify if it was makeup or not. I can assume that the green box will have some sort of 420 related item in there. So I think that's kind of cool. Obviously, I don't personally do that. I've got asthma, okay? I can't do that. And I do like that there's 2 different premium options. So regardless of whether you're like 420, there's 2 different variations for the premium at least, which I think is cool. So that retails for $60, or I'm sorry, $70. And the retail value of that is over double that. It was like $148, I believe. So the value of these boxes are always really amazing. It just depends on what you get in the box, if it is worth it to you or not. So then we have the deluxe box, which is the yellow box. That is going to retail for $100, and that has a value of $229. That has 9 items in it, 2 exclusives. We do not know if it is just like merch or makeup related. However, in the Supreme, the lavender box, which retails for $160, he did say there is an exclusive makeup item in there, which is always cool. I love getting an exclusive makeup item. It's, I think, a little bit more special than like a merch item, especially just because it's, you know, something that you can use. I think we're over the pop sockets. He was doing pop sockets for a long time as exclusive items, but I think he's over that, thank God. So those are the 4. We have, again, the premium blue, the premium mint, the deluxe yellow, and the supreme lavender box. And then he's also doing, which I think this is really cool, an extreme mystery box bundle. So what that will include is the blue premium, not the 421, the blue premium, the deluxe yellow box, and the supreme lavender box for $300, and it's over a $600 value. So that's a lot of information. Let's get into what I think is going to be in these boxes. So in my experience, I'm going to guess that the only box that's going to have an exclusive makeup item is going to be the Supreme. He doesn't like to do too many of those, and obviously that's much harder to do, to create a makeup product strictly for just a mystery box. But I would say if you really want the exclusive makeup item, whatever it is, whether it's a lipstick shade or a palette, he does typically do lipstick shades for mystery items, whether it's a bullet or a liquid lipstick. He has done a highlighter before, and I believe a frost palette, but who knows what he's coming out with this year. I mean, if he ever did a custom eyeshadow palette for these boxes, I think that would be so incredibly sick. And the color story of this whole spring vibes, like Easter vibes with all the pastels, is so beautiful. So imagine that as a palette would be insane. So I think that if you are looking for the exclusive makeup item, to definitely go for the Supreme or the Extreme Box bundle if you want to do that. I will probably get an Extreme Box and a Premium, but again, I just have to see what my bank account is like at the moment. I definitely think there's gonna be a merch item, at least one merch item in every single box as an exclusive item, and then like I said, the 2 exclusive items that come to Supreme, the second exclusive item would be a makeup item. Now, in my experience, these boxes can be very lip heavy. I wonder if he's going to change it up this year, because he's been doing this whole thing is just so much more like amped up. I really don't know. Now, he hasn't had any like new eyeshadow palette releases, because he was doing that for a while, where he would put the most recent eyeshadow palette release in there, but he doesn't have any new releases besides his F-proof mascara, which is completely sold out. I did not try it. I honestly wasn't interested in it. As someone who's always wearing lashes, I definitely appreciate mascara, don't get me wrong, but I have some really good drugstore ones that when I'm not wearing lashes, I feel like work just as well. That did sell out, so I don't think we're gonna get any of that in here unless he has some hidden, but he didn't kind of tease that, and I feel like he usually would tease that, so we'll see. So I don't think we're gonna get any like super new releases from him, but I think that for the value, I can expect to see maybe some more highlighters and eyeshadow palettes in these boxes. At least I hope so. Do you think there's gonna be a color story? Do you think he's gonna be putting items in there that are going to be discontinued soon, because he has done that before? And if so, what item do you think that will be? I just hope it's a good variety of items. I hope we get some lips, some highlighters. I hope we get an Extreme Frost. That would be amazing. I love the one Extreme Frost that I have, and those are a $50 price tag for a single like item, so that's just crazy. So that would be amazing if that was in one of the boxes. I love unboxing them. It's just like Christmas every time. Let me know what you guys think is going to be in them down below. And let's get into the other items now, the merch items. I'm really intrigued by one of these. He has these really cute Hi How Are Ya hoodies and t-shirts. So he's launching 2 Hi How Are You hoodies, 1 jogger and 1 t-shirt. So the hoodies are $55, the joggers are $45, and the t-shirt is $30. I'm so tempted to pick up a hoodie or maybe even a t-shirt and crop it. I don't know though. Well, like I said, we're gonna have to see what my bank account looks like. Make sure you like this video and share it with your friends, and that way I can get some AdSense to purchase these items. And then he's also releasing a Jeffree Star Coral Tee, Jeffree Star Lightweight Coral Crew Neck, and a Jeffree Star Coral Hoodie. So coral themed is the theme for today, which I think is actually a really cute and unique spring color, so I really like that. And then he also is releasing 2 mirrors. I love his mirrors, you guys. They are kind of pricey, but I really feel like they're worth it. He's doing a canary yellow soft touch leaf hand mirror and a coral soft touch leaf hand mirror. Again, I'm really tempted for one of those. I really don't know. We're just gonna have to see. Again, share this video with your friends, like, comment, so that I can get some AdSense to purchase these items. I definitely think this is his most exciting mystery box launch to date, but he has a lot to live up to. I really hope that he doesn't disappoint us. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let's talk about it in the comments, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope I see you in my next video. Bye guys.